Christmas times. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the January. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Y'all, after the week I've had, I need a little girly night and reset. And honestly, sometimes I just want to relax without alcohol. So tonight I'm reaching for something new. This is Kava Haven, a kava-infused non-alcoholic spirit that helps you unwind and feel more present without alcohol. It has this refreshing lemon ginger flavor that's so good on its own or mixed into a cocktail, and it gives this light, natural, calming effect that's perfect for winding down after a busy day. Now let's test it out. Now wait a minute. Okay, this is actually really good. See, okay. And I've been cutting back on alcohol lately, and having a little alcohol-free option that still feels grown and relaxing has been such a game changer for my night routine. It just helps me take the edge off and actually slow down. So while I sip this, I have my pajamas on. I'm finishing up work for the night. And now it's time to put my eye mask on, put my laptop away, and just call it a night. So click the link in my bio to get 15% off of your first order of Kava Haven. Try not to discover a better way to relax and socialize. A little self-care, a little cozy time in my Kava Haven in hand. Period. Good night, y'all. So now it's officially time for Sunday Reset to start. So you know I had to turn those lights on because it has been one of those weeks, y'all. Vlogmas has had me busy. Life has been lifing in my room. Yeah, y'all can clearly see she's been neglected. But Sundays are for pouring back into yourself, even when you're tired, especially when you're tired. So first things first, it's time to get this bedding together because there's nothing like having a clean set of sheets, a clean comforter to make you feel like you got your life together, even when everything is a mess all around you, y'all. I love laying in a fresh bed. There's nothing better. And I'm starting with laundry because once that's going, it's one less thing on my mental checklist. And of course, because y'all already know, Miss Girl's gonna leave something in the dryer. I have to drop off my goddaughter's clothes too. Little resets matter just as much as the big ones, so I have to get her stuff together as well. Now I'm gonna grab all the pillowcases, the sheets, and any clothes that just didn't make it where it belonged this week. Or they might have missed the basket, or I might have tried to attempt to start sorting them out. I'm gonna make sure that they make it to the laundry room as well. I'm also doing a quick sweeping here because cluttered spaces make my mind feel real heavy. This is me choosing peace, one sweep at a time. Now this part is always my favorite and my least favorite at the same time, if those two can exist. Putting things back where they belong feels like I'm slowly getting back to myself as well. Like I don't need perfection. Never anything perfect. I just need my space to feel calm, cozy, and like me again. Now, since my New York trip, I've somewhat been living out of my makeup bag. Like, I just have not unpacked it yet. And I don't know why. I've unpacked my suitcase, but I haven't unpacked my makeup bag. But it's time, just not right now. So I'm going to make sure that I put everything back neatly in my makeup bag and get this room together. Put the papers back where they're supposed to be and just get everything back organized where it's supposed to be.
And you let me get away still. Well, I still cry, I won't lie. But you'll never know if I'm fine. Am I alright? Well, you'll never know. You took this path on your own time without giving us a try. So we'll never know.
Organizing this room always puts me in such a girly mood. It reminds me that self-care doesn't really have to be complicated. I think we complicate things a lot by just thinking too much into it. Sometimes it's just about simplicity. It's just about making things pretty again. And this is what peace looks like.
Your mind was made up a couple months ago. Oh no, you don't have much to say. Yeah, that's clear now.
So in the living room, there's not really much that needs to be done. So I'm just going to do a quick straighten up, folding up the blankets, fix my pillows, and just make it cozy again. Next to my bedroom, the living room is my favorite part of the house. So I have to have it feeling cozy, especially like with the Christmas tree and just the environment that I like to be in. It's got to be cozy, it's got to be kept, and it's got to be put together. And especially after a long day, after a long week, starting a new week, your home should feel like a hug. You want to come home and feel the warmth. You want to be welcome. And it comes with a clean space. And then I have to take a quick pivot to go switch out the laundry from the washing machine to the dryer. But I'm gonna throw these dishes in the dishwasher. I'm gonna sweep up the kitchen and wipe down the table. I'm gonna mop the floor and just kind of put the kitchen back together again. Now, the kitchen always tells the story of the week, and baby, this week has been busy. Now, it's actually not that bad in here. It's pretty tidy, and that means there hasn't been much cooking going on this week in here. Oh well. It's a must that I change the water in my flowers.
Of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone. Oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too. Oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you.
Now, ending the reset in the bathroom because, I don't know, for me, I always finish in the bathroom because this is where I start and end my day, honestly, when you think about it. A clean bathroom just hits different. It feels like self-respect, honestly. And I want every space I touch to feel soft, calm, and just taken care of. But got this little two-piece set from the TikTok shop. Hair wash, got this blue bonnet on. Got my slippers from, I think, Walmart years ago. Now I'm about to wash this wig. Waiting on my clothes to dry. I'm gonna fold those up and put them in their rightful places. But thank y'all for resetting with me. Like, once I eat and put my laundry up and get my wig together, I'm finna lay down and take me a nap, and then I'll be fully reset and prepared for the week. So whatever your self-care, whatever your resets look like, do just that. Pour back into yourself. You deserve it, because we work so hard. We do so much for our family, for our friends. I think a lot of times we don't get to take a moment for ourselves. So make sure that you are doing that. If you can't do it every week, set aside something monthly, quarterly, whatever works best for you. But make sure that you're devoting time for you and pouring back into yourself. But I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for your love and for your support. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know, how do you reset? What things do you do? How do you pour back into yourself? What self-care things do you do? Let me know down in the comments. Make sure, most importantly, that you are subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. But I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next Vlogmas video. Love you guys. Bye.